back our special segment, Did You Know? So today, it's all about a pharma company, and this stock has seen its price move up 4,100% since January 2015. The company commands a market capitalization of 635 crore rupees. It's reported a profit of around 6 crores in the last 4 years. Numbers sound quite mind-boggling. Varinder is here to make sense of it all for us. Varinder?
The company we are talking about today is Medicamen, Biotech. What a dream run this stock had. Over 4,000% gain in last 2.5 years. It's a formulation company, a generic pharma company, having 2 plants, one in Rajasthan and one in Haridwar, registered office in New Delhi. Now, important thing about this company, the financials first, of course, market cap of nearly 636 crores. It was only FY17 when this company has seen a huge improvement compared to FY16. FY17 sales of 82.5 crores, EBITDA 11 crores, profit of 5 crores. But even after achieving, a turnaround in 1 year, look at the numbers. The financials worry me for this company in terms of valuations. The valuations market cap to sales is 7.5 times. Price earning ratio is over 100 times for this company. Never heard about a smaller pharma company having a price earning ratio of over 100 times. Even, as I said, FY17 was a good year for this company, a turnaround year for this company. But in the last 5 or 6 years, the company has made a profit of only 40 lakhs, as you can see on your screen. The book value of this company is only 25, 26 rupees, which means the price to book of this company is over 20 times. Even that is very, very expensive. All these numbers, of course, are on a trailing basis. And there are many other people in the market who believe that the turnaround will continue for the next few years, but that's a separate thing. If you just see FY17 saw a sharp increase in terms of sales, which was up 22%. But the intriguing thing is that you're also seeing trade receivables jumping higher. It was up over 50% trade receivables. This is one thing you got to watch out for going ahead. Also, nearly 37% of sales of the company is in the form of trade receivables, which is not a great thing as well. So if you just see the trend in the last 5 years for this company, well, the total income haven't seen anything much in the last 5 or 6 years if you just see the entire trend, but it was only in FY17 when they saw a growth happening in. Ditto is the case with EBITDA, which came at 11 crores, which was only 2 crores in FY12. Seen a growth in FY17 and margins at 13.3%. But even after considering all what they've done in FY17, the valuations are very, very, very expensive for this company.
Okay, so what's led to this 4,000% surge, Varinder?
Well, that's the most important question. So what changed in this company to stock to move up over 4,000% in the last 2.5 years? Well, the promoter change. The promoter change happened on September 16, 2015, when Shivalik Rasayan bought that 44.15% stake in this company from the earlier promoter at 40 rupees per share. Imagine they bought at 40 rupees per share, and the stock now is trading around 575 rupees or something. Well, also to tell you, Shivalik Rasayan is a listed entity on BSE, whose stock price has also jumped from 90 rupees to 350 rupees in the last 2 years. So that stock has also been moving up in the last 2.5 years. So that's the most important reason why this stock has seen huge run-up. Many people in the market are bullish on the new management which has come in. Shivalik Rasayan has a market cap of 120 crores, but the profit again is very less, 3.5 crores. Again, the valuations are not justified for even Shivalik. If you just see the shareholding pattern, the capital has been increasing year after year, which is shown in the graph on your screen. From 82.5 lakh shares in March 2011, it has gone over 1 crore shares. If you just see the balance sheet, I wanted to see the balance sheet to understand any debt or current investment. Well, there is no debt on the balance sheet of the company, which is a good thing. Current investments are nil, only 7 lakhs, so there is no hidden investment which is there in the company. Cash of 2.5 crores. So whatever the growth comes, it will come purely in the form of numbers, financials going ahead. There's nothing inside a subsidiary or something which is inside this company. Also, if you just see the shareholding pattern, which will tell you that the promoter holding of 45.5%, around 3,500 individuals owning 34% stake. And interestingly, there's a Danish company which is Pharma Denica holding 12.5% stake in this company. Now, many people believe that there could be some export orders coming from this Danish company, which we'll see in the future whether that happens or not. But the shareholding is a bit concentrated in terms of promoters, 3,500 individuals, and 2 or 3 different corporate entities owning it. The last thing from my side is, yes, this company has seen a turnaround in FY17, but the valuations are incorporating the best of the best coming from this company in the next 2 to 3 years. If that growth doesn't come in, the stock could, maybe on the downside. But keep an eye on this stock. Very rich valuations, very, very rich valuations, and a lot of promises from the company.
All right, Varinder, thank you so much for that. It's not looking